Are you a professional looking to start a herbal business, but you don't want it to take over your life? Now, what if I told you there's a way to grow a business that works for you, not the other way around? In this video, I'm going to teach you my ATM method: automation, team, and leverage, so that you can scale your business efficiently and strategically. Now, my name is Dr. Tashima Fair, and I help professionals just like you create a leveraged herbal business. When I first got started, I was trying to do everything on my own, everything my upline told me to do, and it just wasn't working for me. But when I discovered how to create a business using automation and having a strong team, all while juggling my busy schedule, man, that was a game changer for me. Okay. So, if you've been frustrated trying to figure out how to grow your business, this video right here, this is for you. So, stay with me to the end. Okay. Now, here's the problem most professionals face. You want to build a herbal business, but you're already so busy. You have a career, you have a family, or other priorities, and it feels impossible to grow consistently. Many people either quit out of frustration or get stuck doing everything themselves. But you're here and you're in the right place at the right time. But here's the truth, okay? It doesn't have to be that way. You can work smarter, not harder. And that's exactly what the ATM method is designed for. Okay? Now, step one. Let's get into the steps. Automation. Automation allows your business to run even when you can't. You can use simple digital tools to automatically capture leads, follow up, and even process orders. Now, imagine if your business could talk to your prospects for you. Welcome emails, reminders, and product info without you lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. It creates consistency and saves you hours every week. Let me give you an example. For instance, I have a system where new leads instantly get a welcome message, product info, and an invitation to join my community. It's totally hands off, yet it's very effective. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Okay? So, step two is team. This is where your leverage begins. You do not have to do everything yourself. By building a team of motivated individuals, you multiply your impact and your effort. But it's not just about recruiting anyone. It's about attracting people who are ready to learn and who are ready to grow with you. With the right training and mentorship, your team members can replicate your success and your business. And your business can grow exponentially when that is done. So let me give you an example. I had a team member who started part time and within a few months built a thriving customer base and brought on new team members herself, right? That's leverage. That's the power of leverage in action. Her business or your business grows through others, not just your own hours. Okay. Now, step three. Step three is leverage. This is probably like my favorite thing, right? Once you have automation and a team in place, your income potential multiplies. You're no longer trading time for money. No, you're using systems and people to scale. This is what separates a hobby business from a real leveraged business that can provide financial freedom. The more structured your automation and team, the faster your leverage grows. Let me give you an example of this. Think about it. If you personally can serve 20 clients a month, and your team each serves another 20 using your system, let's say you have 5 people in your team, that's 100 clients with just a few team members. And you're still focused on strategy and growth. Now, before I show you how to get started, here are a few mistakes I see professionals, just like you and me, are making. Okay. Trying to do everything themselves. Let's not do that. Okay. Or neglecting automation and systems and doing it the old way. Or recruiting the wrong team members or not training them properly. That's another mistake I see professionals make. So I need you to avoid these, and your business will scale faster and it'll be way less stressful. Now, if you're ready, you're really, really ready to see how the ATM method works in real life and start your leveraged Herbalife business as a professional, I want to invite you to join my free Facebook group. Inside, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own business, attract the right team members, and implement automation so that you can grow efficiently and sustain a beautiful business. Go ahead and click the link that's in the description of this video, join the group, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. All right. Stop guessing. I need you to do that. Stop guessing and start building your business strategically. Go ahead and click the link that's in the description of this video. Join us today and let's make this happen. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to build a beautiful Herbalife business. Like, share, comment on this video. All right. Do all the YouTubey things. And click the link in the description to join the free Facebook group. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.